Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I have got a brand new monthly pouch. It's not a box as such to show you, and it's by Feel Unique and it's called the Beauty Kit. If you already know about Feel Unique's Pick and Mix sample service, if you haven't got a clue what I'm on about, I'll pop my latest video down in the description, so you're welcome to take a look there. That's been running for a good couple of years. It costs £3.95 and that's your shipping, and you can choose up to 5 samples once per month. Then at the end of last year, they brought out what's called the Beauty Kit. It was really hard to find on their website, and it still is quite hard to find, but in my description I'll add a direct link so that you can click that, and I'll also give you instructions as well on where to find it on the website. Once you know, you will know, and it's fine. So yeah, so they brought this out just before Christmas time, but it only lasted a short while, because by the time I did my order and received it, it was not available on their website anymore, and lots of people wondering where it was and everything. And I think a few of you messaged me to say that they had heard that Feel Unique decided to take it down for now and to restart in the new year. And it's restarted. So I ordered and I got my items, and it's still online, so this video is going ahead. The difference with this one is that you still pay £3.95 shipping, and you still choose up to 5 beauty products, but it costs £12, and you get a free pouch with it as well. You also then get the £3.95 credited back onto your account, so you're able to use that £3.95 off future purchases. Now it does say that you can't use it towards like the beauty kit or the pick and mix samples, but I have been using it. I have been using my codes. You can find out if you've got a code by clicking on their website, and you'll see on the left hand corner 3 little lines. Click that, that'll bring up down a drop down menu, and click on account, then click, I think it's gift vouchers and something like that. I can't remember the exact wording, but if you click that, that'll show up then if you've got any vouchers there. If you have, then it's worth trying. I paid £12 for this because I used my voucher from my recent pick and mix sample, so yeah, it's worth it. So the reason why the big price jump from £0 to £12 is because these samples are more sort of high end and they're bigger sample sizes, so you can get some amazing samples on the website. I ended up going for things I will use. I could have gone for items such as, I know there's Filorga on there, 15mm sizes, you're talking £30–40 per one. I could have gone for a few of those, but I decided to go for items that I know I will use and I really want. So there's no subscription or anything, you just go online. If you like the samples, if you can choose 5 and you want them, you can. That's it. You need to be signed up for the Feel Unique website, so just through email, just so that you've got an account ready to do so. If you haven't got an account, you won't be able to choose a product, so sign up first and then you choose your products, and then you're good to go. So I think that's it. I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out, I'll pop it down below, but yeah, I'll just show you what I got. And I'm aware I'm wearing glasses. I've just come back shopping with the kids, and yeah, so sorry as long as I don't look like that. That just looks a bit weird. I'll keep my head down a little bit like this, just so that there's no big reflections. But yeah, I'll just get all my items out, and I'll show you the little pouch it comes in. I didn't want to do a video last time because it was the very first time it was released, and I just didn't know if it was ever going to come back, so I just thought it was pointless me doing a video, but I know this is going to be a continuing thing, so I'm doing this to show you. So the first item I chose is a primer by Laura Mercier, and it just says foundation primer. Any extra information? No, nothing. It's the original primer, and I got 14.7 here. So I got nearly 15mm worth there, so I thought that's a really nice sample size to give it a go and see what it's like. I love her powders, absolutely love her powders. I got some lipsticks and things, but I don't think I've ever tried a primer before. Oh, it feels really nice. Oh, it feels really nice. Really lightweight, really lightweight. So any smells? No, just nice and fresh, So I'm really chuffed to give that a go, see what that is like. So that's the first item. Next, I got a return of a favourite. I've had this numerous times when it's been in the pick and mix. Maybe not this size, I think I've had a smaller size, like a 5mm, but this is 15mm, and this is a Moringa Cleansing Balm by Emma Hardy. I absolutely love it. It is so good. I love cleansing balms, full stop. I've yet to try a cleansing balm that I don't like, but oh, the smell of this one is nice as well. Yeah. Oh, look. So you just get a dollop on your finger, or because I got long nails now, I get like a little spatula and just put some in my hand and then just massage it into my face, and oh, it is lovely. And then I rinse it off with a magic cloth, a wool magic cloth, and it takes off all my makeup, but it leaves my skin feeling absolutely gorgeous, really nice and soft and fresh. So as soon as I saw it, I had to get another one, and this size is really handy actually. Keep a few products in readiness for any like weekend trips away or anything I do this year, because that's a nice handy size to bring. So that's the second item I chose. This is a Charlotte Tilbury product. It's only a teeny tiny one, but this is Airbrush Flawless Finish, and I've got it in shade Fair, is it? I think it's the lightest one. I think there's 3 different shades, isn't there? It's like fair, medium and dark maybe. This is the fair one, but yeah, it's a Complexion Perfecting Microfine Powder, and it is a teeny tiny one. I've already had a look at this and it is the cutest thing. Oh my god, it is really, really cute. I'll show you now. Look how small that is. That is so small. Exactly like the big version. Exactly. It is super, super tiny. Oh my god, that is so cute. That is so cute. It's just a little mini one. Look. It is small, isn't it? It's a lot of money to spend if you've never tried it before and you're not sure if you're going to like it. So even though it's a small one, I am really, really chuffed with this, and it just looks so cute. So that's the third item I chose. And then fourth one, this sounds really cool. It's Glam Glow. It's Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser, and I've got 15 mils here. The only items I've tried of Glam Glow are the masks. I haven't tried anything else really. So a bubble cleanser. So I wonder what that was like. It says here, these are distance glasses. So when I'm looking at something close up, it's like, whoo. So what's it say? Apply to the face and gently massage evenly in circular motions. Rinse well and pat dry. Use daily as desired. And then lastly, I'm a little bit gutted. It is quite cool, but I don't know why I chose it. I don't know why I chose it, because there's lots of things on there. I am obsessed with a brand called Lumine at the moment. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love their skincare products. Absolutely love them. When the beauty kit came out before Christmas, I ordered a lot of Lumine things. I chose, and they were like 15 mils. So skin tints, moisturizers, face peel and everything. And I was thinking, right, I'm going to do it again. But then for Christmas, I was given the big size versions. So I was thinking, no, I've got to stop doing it. I just love that brand so much, but I've got to stop buying all the samples. I've got enough now to last me a long while. So I was looking through and I wasn't sure what I wanted, and I was drawn to this. It's a all-one hemp peppermint pure Castile bar soap, and it's made with organic oils. It just looked cute. I love these type of things. You know, when you go into any gift shops or anything like that, or like you're on holiday, I love looking at all the soaps in wrappers like this. I love smelling them, and oh, I just love the fact that they're all in like paper wrapping. That's a bit weird, isn't it? It is a bit weird. So I haven't got a clue what this is like, but it's a family soap makers since 1858. There's a few of these on the beauty kit page, but I decided to go for this one because peppermint. Oh, it sounds lovely, but I don't want to open it. I don't want to open it, but there's pointless me having it if I'm not going to use it, isn't it? 100% vegan bars and liquid soaps. I think I was excited when I found out the beauty kit was back, and I made a rush decision then, choosing my items. I'm really chuffed with what I've chosen, but if I'd spent more time, I would have maybe have chosen something different to this, and maybe the Glam Glow as well, because obviously I've got the Moringa Balm as well, but that's fine. I'm still happy. So yeah, so that's the last item, so I'll just gather them all up. So these are the items that I got in January's Feel Unique's beauty kit. I've got the pouch here, and I chose these 5. So I've got the soap, I've got the Charlotte Tilbury powder, got Glam Glow cleanser, I got a Laura Mercier primer, and I got a Emma Hardy Moringa cleansing balm as well. For me, paying £12 for it, because I managed to use a code to get free shipping, I think that is worth £12, but yeah, it's definitely worth checking out. Definitely. The Pick and Mix is worth checking out as well, because that you only pay £3.95 for that. So, but with this one, as I said, it's more bigger sizes, it's more luxurious items, but there are some crossovers as well, which I don't understand why. But yeah, I've noticed there's some products that you can get in Pick and Mix which doesn't make sense. All details related to the beauty kit I'll pop down below. But yeah, if you're interested in being in the know when they've got new releases and any particular samples that are amazing, then as soon as I find out, I pop them on my social media sites. So on my Facebook page, on my Instagram page, both Diary of a Beauty Geek. So you're welcome to take a look and follow me on there if you want to. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed watching. Please let me know if you've ordered from the beauty kit and what items you've chosen. And yeah, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.